Today we're going to learn how to input an equation in a grapher card on the NumWorks board. Inputting an equation into the grapher card will allow you to explore graphs or tables of the expression. In the grapher card, you can use your computer keyboard to input functions, expressions, equations, and inequalities. For example, let's input the function f of x equals sine of x, the expression cosine of x divided by pi. Pi can be input by spelling pi. The conic section x squared plus 3y squared equals 16. Exponents can be input using the caret key or shift 6. And the inequality y is less than or equal to 1/2 x minus 3. The less than can be combined with the equal sign to make the less than or equal to. Numbers, letters, special math characters, and functions can be found in the keyboard. Selections from the keyboard will appear in the last input field selected. Make sure to check the Shift key and the Toolbox key for more advanced functions. For more tutorials, visit num.works/board tutorials.